Our problem for today is find the volume of a pyramid with a height of 8 cm and a base side dimension of 5 cm. So in order for us to get the volume, we'll be using the formula of the volume of the pyramid, which is volume is equals to 1/3 base times height. So para makuha natin yan, solve muna natin yung area, which is equal to s squared. So since given naman yung base side niya, 5 cm, this is the side and side 2. So area is equal to 5 times 5. So area will be 25. So volume is equals to 1/3 yung base 25 and also yung height na given 8 cm. This is the height illustration. So volume is equals to 1/3 25 multiplied to 8, 200. So solve lang natin. 1/3 multiplied to 200 is 66.67 cubic centimeter. Always remember na it is always cubic kapag volume. So this is our final answer. Thank you.